Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to join someone else's game on the Litmus free. Let's begin! So, if your friend is playing the Litmus free game and you want to join them, you can easily do that by, well, actually not going into the main game, because the cool thing is that you don't really have to own it. Instead, you can go into Steam, and if you have this Little Nightmares free and we have the store page for Little Nightmares free, we can simply scroll down, and instead of buying the Little Nightmares free for $40, which is quite a lot, we can just go and install the free trial and friends pass. And not only that, we can then play the game solo for the first chapter for free, but if someone invites us, we can just play the whole game with them. We can even see the confirmation in this if we go into our library and go into Q&A by the developers. And in this we can see everything related to co-op here. If you want, you can pause the video and read it yourself. But the most important thing is that if they choose to play together, both must be on the same platform and invite each other online. And if you're of course playing by Steam, you probably just want to go here by Steam. And then one player, even if they purchase the full game, the progress is still going to carry over into the free trial, so we should be able to just freely use it, which is, I believe, pretty cool. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.